Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who's always on the lookout for healthier food choices or trying to boost your energy levels, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of fruits, the ones that will help you feel your best and the ones that might just be setting you back. Fruits are often seen as the perfect snack, but did you know not all fruits are created equal? In this video, I'm going to reveal which fruits you should eat to maximize your health and which ones to avoid if you're looking to stay on top of your fitness game. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to make smarter fruit choices that benefit your body and energy levels. So grab a snack and let's get started. The power of fruits first. Let's talk about why fruits are such an essential part of a healthy diet. We've all heard it a million times, eat your fruits and vegetables. But why is that? Fruits are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. They help fight inflammation, improve digestion, and support heart health. But here's the thing, not all fruits offer the same nutritional benefits. Some fruits are packed with sugar, which, while natural, can cause spikes in blood sugar and lead to weight gain if consumed excessively. So, it's not just about eating fruits, but about choosing the right ones that align with your health goals. Now, let's break it down and look at which fruits you should be reaching for and which ones might be slowing you down. The fruits you should eat first up. Let's talk about the best fruits to eat. These fruits are low in sugar, nutrient-dense, and packed with fiber. These are the kinds of fruits that give you sustained energy throughout the day, without causing any blood sugar crashes. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, these little powerhouses are some of the best fruits you can eat. Packed with antioxidants, they help fight free radicals in your body, reduce inflammation, and support brain health. They are also low in sugar, so you can indulge in them without worrying about spiking your blood sugar levels. Plus, they're high in fiber, which is great for digestion and keeping you full longer. Try adding them to smoothies, yogurt, or even just enjoying them as a snack. If you're looking to add more antioxidants to your diet, berries should be at the top of your list. Apples. They say an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and there's truth to that saying. Apples are high in fiber and vitamin C, making them an excellent choice for boosting your immune system and aiding in digestion. The fiber in apples can help regulate blood sugar levels and keep you feeling fuller for longer. And did you know that apples are also packed with pectin? Pectin is a type of soluble fiber that helps reduce cholesterol and improve gut health. Choose organic apples when possible, and enjoy them as a crunchy snack, in salads, or with a bit of almond butter for an extra boost. Citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes. Citrus fruits are loaded with vitamin C, which is essential for boosting your immune system and promoting healthy skin. The antioxidants found in citrus fruits help fight oxidative stress, which can contribute to chronic diseases and aging. Citrus fruits are also low in calories and high in fiber, so they're perfect for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. A glass of fresh orange juice in the morning, or adding lemon to your water can help you stay hydrated and energized throughout the day. Kiwi. Kiwi is another incredible fruit that often gets overlooked. It's packed with vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which play a role in supporting your immune system and digestive health. Kiwi is also low in sugar and calories, making it a great option for weight management. Plus, the high fiber content in kiwi helps with digestion and promotes gut health. You can enjoy kiwi on its own or add it to smoothies, salads, or even desserts for a refreshing and tangy twist. Avocado. While technically a fruit, avocados are often associated with vegetables. Regardless, They deserve a special mention because they're loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins like potassium, folate, and vitamin E. Avocados are great for heart health because they're rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels. They're also packed with fiber, which helps regulate digestion and keeps you feeling full. Use avocado in salads, sandwiches, smoothies, or even make guacamole for a tasty and nutritious snack. The fruits you should avoid now. Let's talk about the fruits you should be more cautious about, especially if you're looking to control your blood sugar or maintain a healthy weight. These fruits may be higher in sugar, which could cause spikes in blood sugar and leave you feeling sluggish or craving more sugary foods. Bananas. While bananas are a great source of potassium and can be a healthy option in moderation, they are also relatively high in sugar compared to some other fruits. A medium banana contains around 14 grams of sugar. While the sugar in bananas is natural, it's still important to monitor your intake if you're trying to keep your blood sugar levels stable. If you love bananas, try eating them in moderation or pairing them with a protein source like almond butter or a handful of nuts to help balance the sugar content. Mangoes. Mangoes are delicious and rich in vitamin C, but they are also one of the highest sugar fruits out there. A medium-sized mango contains around 45 grams of sugar. While mangoes provide plenty of nutrients and antioxidants, consuming them in large quantities can quickly add up in terms of sugar intake. If you have a sweet tooth, you can enjoy mangoes, but try to eat them in smaller portions and balance them with other lower sugar fruits. Grapes. Grapes are a tasty and convenient snack, but they're also packed with sugar. A cup of grapes contains around 23 grams of sugar, and because they're small, it's easy to mindlessly snack on them, leading to an overconsumption of sugar. If you're trying to watch your sugar intake, consider limiting your consumption of grapes or swapping them out for lower sugar fruits like berries. Pineapple. Pineapple is full of vitamin C and bromelain, an enzyme that can help with digestion, but it's also high in sugar. A cup of pineapple contains around 16 grams of sugar, so if you're aiming for a low-sugar diet, it might be best to limit your pineapple intake. That being said, if you love pineapple, enjoy it occasionally as a refreshing treat, but balance it out with fruits that are lower in sugar and higher in fiber. How to make smarter fruit choices. So, now you know which fruits to prioritize and which ones to eat less frequently, but how can you make smarter fruit choices going forward? First, focus on eating a variety of fruits to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Choose fruits that are in season, as they tend to be fresher, tastier, and more affordable. Don't forget about portion control. Even healthy fruits can contribute to weight gain if you eat them in excess. Try to balance your fruit intake with other nutrient-dense foods like vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. And of course, always listen to your body. If you find that a particular fruit makes you feel sluggish or gives you a sugar crash, consider cutting back on it or opting for a lower sugar alternative. There you have it, the fruits you should eat and the ones you should avoid. Remember, fruits can be an essential part of a healthy diet, but it's important to choose the right ones to support your health goals. Prioritize fruits like berries, apples, citrus fruits, kiwi, and avocado, and be mindful of those higher sugar fruits like bananas, mangoes, grapes, and pineapple. By making informed choices, you can enjoy all the benefits fruits have to offer without compromising your health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more great tips and advice.